Hello, it's Tate from Nanjing Marketing Group. I'm going to show you a platform called Maimai. Maimai is kind of like LinkedIn. It's a social networking platform for professionals. LinkedIn actually works in China though, unlike most of the social platforms out there. So some professionals in China, they could use LinkedIn, they could use Maimai, they could use both. Let's take a quick tour here. So I'm just pulling it up on my phone, and there's a main feed like any kind of social network, and the kind of content that is on here is a mixture of fun stuff and professional content. I really don't see much political content on here, which is a bit rare for Chinese social networks nowadays. And as I was testing this out with some other co-workers of mine, I found out that my content is a bit more scattered. I think that it's because I haven't really been using Maimai much yet, so it doesn't know me, doesn't really know what I like. One of the most important features on here is the search, and this is what we're using it for. We're using Maimai for sales prospecting for clients of ours. So what that means is we help them by going out and hunting businesses that they can do business with, hunting the specific individuals, contacting them, and getting a meeting scheduled. Okay, so this isn't the same as a lot of the kind of social marketing that you might think about. We're using it for B2B social marketing. So let's say, for example, if we want to search for somebody that had medical equipment in their job title. So we search for that here, and we're going to get an experience similar to LinkedIn, where it shows us a bunch of different people, and we can further qualify that by adding in their job title or adding in their location, and we can pull up a bunch of different contacts. Like we could pull up contacts that are agents selling medical equipment in China, right? For example, if we had equipment to sell them and we want to get it out to a lot of businesses in China, we might look for them, or we might look for people that are buyers that are working in hospitals. One of the limitations of Maimai is that you have to pay for it. Now, I think that's actually a good thing. I think it should increase the quality of the connections that you make on there. If you have a regular account, you can build 10 connections per month. That's 10 people that you have requested a connection with. If you have a VIP account, you can do 40, but you can also pay about 340 yuan to just make 300 more connections, right? So that's sales prospecting. I think another one of the main important things about Maimai is that it can be used for looking for jobs or looking for employees. Now, you have your network on here, okay? You can look through your network. You can search through different opportunities. There's different ways to use it. I don't think that all of these features are really going to be key. So I'll show you one that I think is cool though. Up here, we have this Julien section, which is a place for people to anonymously ask questions and answer questions. So a lot of these questions are about what it's like to work at certain places. It could be about anything. Now, you can't really search for what you're looking for specifically, but you can look through the feed and interact with people. So this gives a way for you to really know, get some of the dirt about a place. Like if you want to work there, like, are they nice to work with? Do they treat their employees well? Do they cheat on their contracts? Those are the kind of things that you could learn through here, which I think is pretty useful. All right, so this is basically what I think are the more important parts of Maimai for you to know about. What we're going to use it for marketing is we're going to be doing more sales prospecting on there, and then to keep in contact with those, to keep us and our clients on top of mind for them, we'll be posting some content on Maimai, and we'll be sharing more of our learnings as we go on this YouTube channel, so you can subscribe. You can also check out a link below that is to our Chinese B2B marketing tactics blog post and course. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you later.